Hi guys, happy new year everybody. My new year, I ate, I slept, I drank, I ate, I went to church, I went to club, I ate, I drank, I slept. Like it was that good to me. It was like that beautiful. Anyway, I hope you guys are good and I hope you guys enjoyed your new year. And you're welcome to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. So for today's video, it's all about the one brand makeup tutorial. I did a full face using the L'Oreal Paris collection. Like I really did well, and as you can see, this makeup right here, that is the outcome of the look. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this my new year, new me, beautiful look, like this lip here is called by Felicia and I'm really digging it, and this height here is just popping new year to me. And my god, that glowing cheek though is so like dewy and shiny, yeah. So guys, all joke aside, if you want to see how I done this beautiful look right here for this new year, so please keep on watching. I'm just gonna spray my face with this Organik Botanik face mix. Hi guys, as you all may know, I'm gonna be using all L'Oreal products to do this video, as I just want to tell you that my skin is prepped, like it's primed. First brow pencil I'll be using is from Loreal. This is their Brow Artist Expert in Ebony. Brush up my hair with its spoolie. I'm just gonna fill the brows out. Our brows are not twins, they're just different brows. I'm going to use the edge of the spoolie just to brush out the edge of my brows to blend it in. I'll be using the concealer and then eye concealer just to conceal my brows. I'll be mixing these two concealer from the L'Oreal True Match to conceal my eyebrows. I'm going to first use the caramel concealer just on top of the brows. This is like a shade of my foundation, so that's why I'm using this. So I'm gonna use Goldy Amber for the bottom of the brows, because it's on a stick, so I just want to use the stick end like that just to go on it. So there's no point of me using brush, but however I can use brush to blend it in. So while this is done, I'm just going to blend it with my blender brush. I think I'm going to blend the top first because I'll use that same brush to blend the bottom. So that will actually change the color of the bottom concealer. So guys, our eyebrows is done. I'm just going to use my own eyeshadow palette. So first of all, I'm just going to prime my eyelid with a bit of that concealer from L'Oreal. So that actually going to like give it as a base primer for my eyeshadow. And also you just want to blend this out so it actually covers your dark circles. I've actually used my eyeshadow to give my eyes like a bit of base or transition shade. What I need to do is just to apply like a eye paint eyeshadow, like something that can like give it that shiny yeah thing. The eye paint I'm going to be using, this is from L'Oreal. It's called Khaki. Is number 202. I also have 403 Diamond Eye Pen from L'Oreal. First of all, I'm just going to apply the base with a khaki and apply a bit of cold highlight with a diamond. Or should I put it? I don't want to do a cut crease. So this is a liquid eyeshadow, and once you apply it, it just sets itself. So I'm just going to blend the corners of this eyeshadow, apply my lashes and finish the side of the eye, and I'll be back. As you can see, I have this dramatic, hilarious full lashes on that literally I can't see. So next, I'm just going to color correct my underneath eyes. Infallable 24 hours concealer pomade, and this is in dark 03. This is just to cover dark circles and blemishes, but it's not an actual concealer. You definitely need to like highlight your eyes just to like cover your uneven skin tone. I haven't been using this for long, but so far I do love it. For my foundation, I'm going to be using this infallible shaping sticks in caramel, something like the number 220. This will be my first time of using this on literally my face. The kind of first time I did use it, I thought it was a concealer, so I actually used it as a concealer, but it was later on I realized that this is actually a foundation. The color really suits my skin, really like a complete match caramel. And the forehead, you don't want to mix that. Well, I really like a full coverage foundation, like you guys know. So I'm using this tippy edge brush from Vanity Planet. God, this is why I don't like to wear my earrings. I'm just gonna take it off because this shit is disturbing me, like, seriously. So I'm just blending all the high concealer with the same brush. Like, I can't be bothered to go with a beauty blender. What's the point, really? Next, I'm just gonna apply this contour concealer, contour my face, and also to highlight my under eye, because everything seems to be the same, like right now. For some reason, I don't like concealing my nose. I'm just gonna put this here just to like sort itself out. This concealer is good when you apply a really dark concealer. So when you apply this lighter one, it actually like changes the color like. First of all, I'm just gonna blend the contour concealer out before I go for the under eye. I'm gonna use this my dual fiber brush to blend it. Right, this shouldn't be too bad. And the nose as well, which I did want to, but I just gotta. I forgot to apply this here and there and there. I just carried away. These vibes already give me dewy like thing, yeah. Why do I keep saying okay? Like, it's not okay. I just added another coat of that concealer because I just want to like really accentuate the eyes more. I am dewy enough, so I need to bake. I'm gonna bake with this powder. You guys know I use these. This is the Loreal True Match Mineral Mattifying Powder. To blend one more time before baking, because I think they're breaking now. Concealer is breaking. So guys, I'm just gonna dust this powder over my face. L'Oreal does not have like a compact like powder for brushing out the face, so I'm just gonna use a bit of my matte powder. I feel so matte, and I feel like whitish as well, but there's nothing fixed plus cannot fix. So next, I'm just gonna apply a mascara underneath my eye. That is the same mascara I applied on top of my eyes, but I did it outside the camera. But this time I'm just going to show you. I'll be using the L'Oreal False Lash X Fiber Extreme Resist. So for my tear duct, I'm just going to use that Diamond Eye Paint just to brighten up that eye, like wow. I don't know if I should contour with the powder, but I really don't have L'Oreal powder to contour with. This shade over there. There's no this is just to set the contour cream we had on. So for our blush, I'm gonna be use Coral Baby from the L'Oreal Infallible Blush Paint. I'm just gonna put it on top of that cheekbone because that's what our light normally goes to. And since this is a shimmer blush, so for our highlight, I'm gonna be mixing highlight from this palette. This is the Loreal Glow Kit. Right, this is a mixture. This is not actually like one particular highlight, like mixture. That is a perfect highlight. Very subtle, not too like intense highlight, like you know me I go for. Right, I'm mixing the Metallicious and Perlista highlight from the Loreal. This is bang, bang, bang. Wow, this makeup is killing me. This is one of those affordable highlights that you can't like palette, like you don't know that it's powerful, but there's power in it. I've been using dark lips lately and I don't want to use a dark lip. So I'll be using by Felicia from the L'Oreal Pen Liquor Lip Paint. Ooh, it's really like by Felicia. Like for a change, this is a new year. I think this lip deserves to go on like trust. So to finish off this look, I'm just gonna spray my face with the MAC Fix Spray. L'Oreal don't have a fixing spray. Not me. I think they do, but I don't trust it. This is the finished look, guys. I'm just gonna pop in my earring and I'm gonna back for the outro. Thank you, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, I didn't expect this look. I was just thinking, oh my god, you know, it's just gonna be this, it's gonna be that, but there's nothing you cannot do when you just put your mind to it. Like my Fix Plus actually fixed this look because I was thinking, oh, I'm too dewy, I'm too matte, what like what's going on? But looking at it now, man, I want to go out, I want to go somewhere. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, which I know you do already. Just thumbs up this video for me. Leave your comment below. I want to know your thoughts, what you think about this look. And guys, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload. And don't forget to watch my previous videos, just gonna be after the screen. And until then, guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. So peace out.